Good morning. My name is Janine Ballesteros Sanchez. I am 27 years old. I was born in Lorica, Córdoba. I've been a worker. I am a house within a student. I have two daughters, 13 and old. I live in Santa Cruz de Lorica. In my free time, I love dancing. I do not love lives. I study environmental engineering. Simón Bolívar Park is located in the center of the Lorica city, which after Instagram has become the meeting point for inhabitants. This place is always full of people enjoying and face pan at Kid has. This park has free Wi-Fi function that is very beneficial Alfred or his whole work time and gives the opportunity the whole world. In this park you can also find the second Juan Pablo Charles. And few miles away is the market where during the day we can enjoy the delicious meal handcrafted after empodering. Another attraction de Simón Bolívar has is the filmers and way there's the world where ego was the we can enjoy us the majestic Sinu River. It's a charming place which I invite you to listen as member to walk the run and is a run in the car full of history and beautiful architecture. Beside you the carnage habitat you do not Stonewall and anyone the experience. A park located the city of Lorica with World Wide Door. Thank you.